Today we are going to discuss what is delegate in C#. A delegate is type shape function pointer. A delegate holds the reference of a method and then call the method for execution. Any method that matches the delegation signature, which means return type parameter list, can be assigned to the delegate. A delegate are object oriented and type safe and very secure as they ensure that signature of the method being called is correct. Delegate makes event handling simple and easy. Declaration of delegates. We declare delegates as below: modifier, delegate keyword, return type, delegate name, parameter list. You can see the example: public delegate, int number manipulation, parameter each int x and int y. We can return void in delegate. Types of delegate: there are different type of delegate: single delegate or single cast delegate, multi-cast delegate, genic delegate, and there are some built-in genic delegate type: func delegate, action delegate, predicate delegate. Single delegate points to single method at a time, so it can invoke single method. They are derived from system.delegate class. Here is example of single delegate: public delegate int add number int a int b. You can see the example of single delegate. Multicast delegate. Multicast delegate points more than one method at a time. It can be used to invoke multiple methods. The delegate instance can be multicasting, adding new methods on existing delegate instance using a plus operator, and minus operator can be used to remove a method from delegate instance. Multicast delegate must contain only method that return void. They can derive from system.multicast delegate class. This is the example of multicast delegate. Here you can see that there are three methods: add number, subtract number, multiply number, and that delegate is assigned to single instance, that is manipulate number delegate. Here can you see that delegate can be added and delegate method can be removed using minus operator. Genic delegate can be defined in the same way as a delegate but using genic type or return type. The genic type must be specified when you set target method. This is the example of genic delegate. Func action predicate delegates are defined in C# 3.0 version, and these are genic built-in delegates. Genic delegate was introduced in .NET 3.5. We don't require to define the delegate instance in order to invoke the method. Func delegate is a built-in genic delegate type which includes system namespace. It has 0 to 16 input parameter and 1 output parameter. The last parameter is considered as output parameter. It must return a value. Func delegate does not allow ref and out parameters. Here the example of delegate. Genic delegate. Action delegate is same as func delegate, but it does not return any value. It takes 1 to 16 input parameter and defined in system namespace. Predicate delegate is same as func or action delegate, but it takes only one parameter and must return a boolean value, true or false. Here we can see the example of all delegates: func, action and predicate delegate. Anonymous method in C Sharp. An anonymous method in C Sharp which does not contain any name, which is introduced in C Sharp 2.0. It is useful when a user wants to create inline method and also want to pass parameter in anonymous method like other methods. An anonymous method is defined using the delegate keyword, and user can assign this method to a variable of the delegate type. It cannot access ref and out parameter of an outer method. Here you can see the delegate. Lambda expression using delegate. Lambda expression is a shorter way of expressing anonymous method. A lambda expression uses lambda operator to separate lambda parameter list from its executable code. To create lambda expression, you specify input parameters on left side and uh, put the expression or a statement block on the other side. Here you can see that example of lambda expression. That's okay.